Did you know that over 69% of vehicles on U.S. roads, according to the Bureau of Transportation Statistics? Yet AAA reports that nearly 60% of engine-related breakdowns happen within 1,000 miles of routine maintenance. Not because the service was skipped. Most drivers think an oil change is the safest moment in a car's life, but mechanics know it is actually one of the most dangerous windows. That's why professional mechanics keep checking long after the oil is changed. In this video, we are exposing the exact things mechanics inspect after an oil change that drivers don't. Checks that silently prevent $3,000 to $8,000 engine failures. Stick around until the end, because the final check is the one that saves more engines than any oil brand ever will. Secret number 1. Verify oil filter gasket seating. After installing a new oil filter, a mechanic doesn't just trust that it is tight enough. They visually confirm that the rubber gasket is sitting perfectly flat against the engine block. If that gasket folds, pinches, or stacks on top of an old gasket, the filter can hold pressure at idle, but fail violently at highway speed. Mechanics know that oil pressure increases dramatically once the engine warms up and RPM rises. That's why they start the engine and watch the filter area closely for slow seepage or misting. Drivers usually leave immediately, unaware that a leak may not appear for several miles. By the time the oil light flashes, the engine may already be running dry. In the U.S., engines destroyed by oil loss from filter seal failure often lead to $4,000 to $8,000 replacement bill. Secret number 2. Drain plug torque and washer condition. Mechanics don't guess when tightening the drain plug. They understand that every oil pan material reacts differently. Aluminum pans strip easily, steel pans crack when over-tightened, and composite pans are extremely unforgiving. A professional checks that the plug seats smoothly and that resistance feels correct, not forced. They also inspect the drain plug washer, which most drivers don't even realize exists. A crushed or reused washer can leak slowly, dripping oil only while driving. Mechanics also check for oil residue around the plug after the engine warms up. In the U.S., a stripped oil pan thread can turn into a $700 to $2,000 repair. Secret number 3. Check oil pressure behavior after startup right after an oil change. Mechanics pay close attention to how fast oil pressure builds on startup. This tells them whether the oil filter is priming correctly and whether the oil pickup system is functioning as expected. Drivers usually start the car, see no warning lights, and drive off immediately. Mechanics, however, often let the engine idle for a minute and observe behavior because oil starvation damage can begin in seconds. A delayed pressure issue might point to the wrong filter type, a faulty anti-drain back valve, or incorrect oil viscosity. Catching this early can prevent camshaft and bearing wear that leads to $3,000 to $6,000 internal engine repairs. Secret number 4. Oil level recheck after circulation. Professional mechanics know that oil level changes after the engine runs and oil fills the filter and passages. That's why they shut the engine off, wait a few minutes, and recheck the dipstick. Drivers often check oil once, cold, and assume it is perfect forever. Mechanics understand that even half a quart low can increase engine wear over time, especially in turbocharged or high-compression engines. They also verify that the oil is not overfilled, which can cause foaming, seal damage, and increased crankcase pressure. Overfilled engines are more common than most drivers realize, especially during quick services. In the U.S., oil-related seal failures from overfilling can lead to $1,200 to $3,500 in repairs. Secret number 5. Undercarriage and splash shield inspection. After the oil change, mechanics look under the vehicle, not just for leaks, but for loose splash shields and underbody panels. These shields are often removed during service and improperly secured afterward. A loose shield can trap oil leaks, hide problems, or rip off at highway speed. Oil on a serpentine belt can cause slipping, squealing, or sudden belt failure. Drivers usually discover this weeks later and blame the car, not the oil change. Mechanics catch it immediately. Replacing damaged underbody panels in the U.S. can cost $300 to over $1,000. Secret number 6. Resetting oil life and service data correctly. Mechanics don't just reset the oil light, they verify that the oil life system actually accepted the reset. And an incomplete reset can cause false warnings. Drivers often ignore this or assume the warning will go away on its own. Mechanics know that oil life systems affect more than reminders. They influence engine management strategies on some vehicles. That's why professionals confirm the reset through the vehicle menu or scan tool rather than guessing. Ignoring this can lead to denied warranty coverage worth thousands of dollars. Secret number 7. Early leak detection during test drive. One thing almost no driver does after an oil change is a short test drive followed by a recheck. Mechanics often drive the vehicle briefly, then inspect underneath again for fresh leaks. This allows them to catch slow seepage before it becomes a catastrophic failure. Oil leaks don't always show immediately. They appear after pressure, heat, and vibration combine, or the oil warning light comes on. By then, damage may already be done. Catching a leak early can save an engine that would otherwise cost $5,000 or more to replace. Secret number 8. Oil cap seal and proper tightening. After an oil change, professional mechanics never assume the oil cap is fine just because it's on. They inspect the rubber seal inside the cap for cracks, hardening, or flattening caused by heat over time. A worn oil cap seal allows oil vapor to escape. Drivers often mistake this for random oil consumption or a mysterious burning smell. Mechanics also know that a loosely tightened oil cap can trigger check engine lights on modern vehicles. Over time, excess pressure forces oil past seals and into intake components. This leads to carbon buildup, sensor contamination, and reduced engine efficiency. In the U.S., oil leaks and sensor damage caused by a faulty or loose oil cap commonly lead to repair bills ranging from $300 to $1,500. Secret number 9. Correct oil specification, beyond viscosity. Mechanics don't stop at oil viscosity. They verify the oil meets the exact manufacturer specification required for the engine. Many modern vehicles demand specific API, ILSAC, or manufacturer-approved standards designed to protect timing chains, turbochargers, and variable valve timing systems. Using oil with the correct weight but the wrong formulation can accelerate internal wear without immediate symptoms. Drivers often believe oil is oil, as long as the number matches the cap. Mechanics know that incorrect additives can clog oil passages or fail to protect high-pressure components. This is especially critical in direct injection and turbocharged engines, turbo failure, and excessive sludge formation. In the U.S., engine damage caused by incorrect oil specifications frequently results in $3,000 to $7,000 repair costs. And there you have it. An oil change isn't just routine, it is a critical moment in your engine's life. Mechanics know the danger isn't the oil itself, but what gets ignored afterward. These checks are why professional engines last hundreds of thousands of miles, while others fail early. If this video opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who still thinks an oil change ends when the cap goes back on.